Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to change date and time in OPPO K10 5G smartphone. Before we start the video, request to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, I open the settings of the phone, then swipe up, then choose system settings, then choose date and time. Now we need to turn off the set time automatically quick toggle. Then we can change the date and also time. You can see. So if you want to change the 24-hour format to the 12-hour format, you can easily toggle off the 24-hour format to access the 12 hours format. Now I change the time. If you want to change the time again to the default, you can enter into the system settings again, then choose date and time, then enable the set time automatically. Now the default time is coming. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. Like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.